Hello everyone, today I'm showing you how to make this super soft and delicious naan bread with only 4 ingredients. It is made in the shortest amount of time possible. So are you ready? Let's get started. First, we create a perfect environment for yeast to grow by heating up a large pot with 1 cup of water over high heat for 1 minute. The lid should be kept on the entire time. We then remove the pot from heat. Do not open the lid. Next, let's make our super easy dough. 3/4 cup of warm water. It shouldn't be higher than 120 degrees Fahrenheit or the yeast will be in trouble. 2 1/4 teaspoons of fast dry or rapid dry yeast, not active dry yeast. 1/2 to 3/4 teaspoons of kosher salt and 1/2 cup of whole milk plain yogurt. Stir until dissolved. We then add 2 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour. Stir with a spatula until all partly clump together. We then assist by squeezing them by hand to have everything bind together and shape it into a ball. No kneading needed. Now we drop it into the warm pot. Close the lid and let it grow and rise for 30 to 45 minutes. This proofing method provides a perfect environment for yeast to grow with moist and warm surrounding and abundance of oxygen. Ideally, you want a lid with a small hole on it. In a regular recipe, proofing typically takes 1.5 up to 3 hours. Luckily, we don't need that much in this recipe. Now we flour a clean surface, our hands and the roller. Start with rolling the dough to a rounded ball with both palms, then tap and pat it down to flatten it. Divide it into 8 pieces. They don't have to be perfectly equal. Now we roll each wedge into a ball. Start by rolling the longer end in. We then fold the other side in and pinch them to stick together. Flip to the other side and roll it with both palms. Repeat with the rest. Make sure that you arrange them in an order from first to last. Now start with the first bar, then continue doing the rest until finishing the last one, in that order. Press it down to flatten it, then roll it with the pin to a 6-inch round dough. Make sure to flour and reflour anything that feels sticky. I like a pin roller with handles that give me more grip and control. And that's the last one. Yay! Let's start the cooking. We place a large non-stick pan over medium-high heat and wait until the pan starts to smoke, or spray just a little bit of cooking spray. When the oil spotty clump together, the pan is ready. While waiting, let's make our garlic butter spread. For simplicity, I just microwave 4 tablespoons of butter for about 45 seconds or until the butter melted, then mix in 1.5 teaspoons of garlic powder. You can also do this on a stove and with finely minced garlic instead. The pan is ready. Reduce heat to medium. Now we aim to do 2 at a time. Every time we remove one from heat, immediately replace it with a new piece of dough. Flip when the top looks bubbling up and the bottom is spotty golden brown. We then brush the garlic butter on the brown side. Then brush the other side when it turns brown and remove from heat. Now normally the pan will continue to get hotter, so we may need to reduce heat further to prevent burning if needed. Continue until the last one is finished, and I'm sure you know what to do after that. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please help me with a thumb up, say hi in the comments so I can personally reach you. Subscribe to the channel for future contents. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye bye.